Hi there! Welcome to Debutify. In this quick video, I'll guide you through setting up the Shipping Calculator widget, a simple and powerful feature that lets your customers estimate shipping costs directly in the cart drawer. It's a great way to enhance the shopping experience, keep your customers informed, and encourage them to complete their purchase. Accessing the widget. To access the Shipping Calculator widget, open your customized Debutify theme. Go to Widget Group, then select Cart Drawer. Go to Cart Preferences and choose Shipping Calculator. To enable or disable the widget, go to Theme Settings, Enterprise Widgets. Once enabled, go back to Widget Group, Cart Drawer, Cart Preferences, Shipping Calculator. Here, you can customize all settings. Label icon. Pick an icon to display next to your Shipping Calculator label. Title. Customize the title shown to your customers. Example, Shipping Calculator. No results. Customize the message shown if no shipping rates are found. Example, no shipping rates found. Customize the labels shown to your customers for country, province, zip. Button label. Customize the labels shown to your customers. Example, calculate. Button style. Choose the button look that fits your store. Link. Displays as plain text, simple and subtle. Default. Uses your theme's built-in button design. Solid, bold, and filled for strong visibility. Outline. Minimalist style with just a border. Size. Select the button size. Inherit. Follows your theme's default sizing. Small. Compact and less intrusive. Medium. A balanced size, recommended for most stores. Regular, for maximum visibility. And that's it! Your Shipping Calculator widget is now ready. Customers can conveniently calculate shipping costs, making their shopping experience smoother and helping you boost conversions. Thanks for watching, and happy customizing with your Debutify theme!